How to register a Visa gift card online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Visa gift card sign up. Different sites will be available to you. Head over to the very first one, Visa gift cards, buy gift cards online. It will land you on this interface. Firstly, you'll find the instruction in your card itself. You'll find 3 steps on it. Just follow these 3 steps and then you'll be able to register a Visa gift card. Firstly, find the 16-digit gift card number and then head over to this website, visaprepaidprocessing.com, and then click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. Simply click on Activate My Card. You will be landing on this interface. Simply enter your 16-digit gift card number and then click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, your Visa gift card will be registered successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial on how to register for your Visa gift card online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.